If you're looking to make some extra money on the side, there are a few options you can consider. One easy and straightforward way to supplement your income is to watch ads for money. While this may sound like a scam to some, once you understand how it works, you'll soon realize it's legit. In fact, there are many reputable businesses behind it with good Better Business Bureau scores to put your mind at ease. Earning money watching ads is easy, and there are many different ways to do it. It won't make you enough money in passive income to quit your day job, but it can still give you a quick and sustainable cash boost to help you save some money or purchase that special something you've been eyeing for some time now. Number 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular choice for those looking to watch ads for money. It offers many different ways of earning extra money like playing games, taking surveys, and of course, watching ads. The points you earn, called Swagbucks for watching each video ad, can be redeemed in gift cards or even PayPal cash. With Swagbucks, there's also a cash welcome bonus of $20 with multiple video categories available. You will be able to see how much you can earn for each video you watch. This can help you plan ahead and allow you to invest your time in a way that earns you the most money for your time. That said, watching ads for money in Swagbucks is not very lucrative and can only earn you a few Swagbucks, which amounts to a few pennies. But if you don't mind having it on in the background while you do other things, it might be worth it to you. Number 2. My Points. My Points kicks things off with a quick reward of $10 just for signing up, with points earned to watch ads and a number of other activities. Withdrawals can be done by way of Amazon or Visa gift cards, giving you the opportunity to save money when making your purchases. My Points has been active since 1966. Which makes it one of the first sites to offer such a monetization program. Moreover, they offer a wide range of videos, including Hollywood gossip clips and coverage of events like the Golden Globes. Number 3. Inbox Dollars. When it comes to getting paid for watching ads, Inbox Dollars is the name that usually comes straight up. Inbox Dollars is an incredibly popular cash reward and online survey site that's a legit way to make some extra money in your spare time. With a bonus of $5 straight off the bat just for signing up, Inbox Dollars offers a few different ways to make money by watching ads, completing paid surveys, and also playing games. As you watch videos, you will start getting scratch cards that contain anything from 5 cents to $30 or more, which is fun and exciting in itself. Payments can be made in a variety of ways, from receiving PayPal cash to electronic gift cards or simply donating the money to your favorite charity. Number 4. Nielsen TV Ratings. Nielsen works slightly differently from the other sites on this list, but it's still worth knowing about. For starters, it pays you to watch TV and use your devices how you regularly use them today. There is no Nielsen website. Instead, you will download the Nielsen app on your smartphone and software for any other computer devices. The app then sends Nielsen anonymous data about how you use your devices. They do not collect the content of visited websites and do not collect user ID, passwords, or other personal information. All this data helps build a larger picture of consumer behavior, which is very valuable to marketing companies. In return, Nielsen pays you to be a part of this process. Number 5. Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is another membership reward site offering cash to watch ads. It also has hundreds of gift card options including Amazon, PayPal, Visa, and Google Play. The minimum payout is low and quick as well, with redemption starting as low as $2. Sign-up is quick and doesn't require much personal information. You can either sign up with an email address or through your Facebook account. Prize Rebel has been around since 2017 and has paid out more than $22 million to its members, so they're definitely a legit way to watch ads for money. Did you try any of these websites for making money? Let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.